Show that 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number where root 7 is given to be an irrational number, or check whether 12 to the power n can end within digit 0 for any natural number n. 12n is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factors of 12 to the power n. Over to the solutions. We will solve this question using the method of assumption. We will firstly assume that 5 plus 2 root 7 to be rational and later prove it to be false. As 5 plus 2 root 7 is irrational, it can be represented as a fraction of two numbers, that is a and b. As it is rational, we will solve it like a normal equation, and take 5 to the other side, which negates the value of 5, which gives out this expression, that is 2 multiply by root 7 is equal to a by b minus 5. We will solve further the RHS of this equation to obtain this equation, and when we take the 2 to the other side, it goes to the denominator, and which gives out this expression. And as we can see, the RHS of the last expression contains a and b. A and b are both integers, therefore a minus b is also integer, therefore a minus b divided by 2b is also rational. So as RHS is totally rational, LHS shall also be rational. But as it is given in the question that root 7 is irrational, our assumption was wrong. 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number. Now over to the second part. In order to 12 to the power n end with 0, it shall contain prime factors of 2 and 5, which it doesn't. It contains the prime factor of 2 and 3, and as it does not have the prime factor of 2 and 5, it will never end with a digit 0.